friends, this past May we did our first big giveaway. We gave away a free Treadlite broad fork, and the winner of that giveaway was Carolyn Holman. And here on her Instagram account, she shared opening up the package when she received her Treadlite broad fork. And Carolyn told me that she absolutely loved the Treadlite broad fork, and here she is using it in her garden. I feel the broad fork is one of those tools that's a must-have for running a small market garden or running a garden on your homestead. But you know what? It's time again to do a giveaway for some other tools that can be must-haves on your farm. One of my mentors, Curtis Stone, said on his Twitter account here recently that now is the time to begin preparing for your winter garden, and it could also be time to prepare for your fall garden. And some of these tools that we're going to be giving away, we're actually going to be doing a giveaway for the next 4 weeks. See that? 4 weeks we're going to be giving away items each week. And the items that we're going to be giving away is from our friends at Bootstrap Farmer. Yes, one of the videos that I did not too long ago, I did a comparison, mentioning and comparing the different types of seed trays. Some of the cheap ones you can buy, some of the okay versions that you can buy, and some of my favorite, the Bootstrap Farmer seed flats. They're absolutely fantastic. And this week we're going to be doing a giveaway from our friends at Bootstrap Farmer. We're going to be giving away 5 seed starter kits. In each of those kits you'll receive 2 domes, 2 sails, and 2 flats. So 5 separate winners will have an opportunity to receive their very own seed starter kit. And these trays and these kits, they're not just some any old cheap tray that you can go buy at Walmart or Lowe's or something. No, these are high quality items that are going to last you a while. They're going to last you a long time. In a video, make sure you check it out, I did a comparison. Sayla and I did a comparison comparing just cheapo trays that you can go buy at Walmart or Lowe's or whatever, and then some of the mediocre ones that you can go buy online, and then high quality ones such as the ones right here from Bootstrap Farmer. And let me tell you, there's a huge difference in the quality and how long they're going to last you in using these tools. For example, with the domes, this is a cheap dome that you can go buy at any hardware store or Walmart. And then here you have a high quality one which comes with the seed starter kit from Bootstrap Farmer. Much different. The quality is much better. And let me tell you, one of the things that I learned the hard way is trying to grow a lot of food without seed flats and seed trays. So bringing these onto your farm can really maximize the amount and the quantity of food that you can produce on your farm. So they are very essential. I consider these essential tools to have on your farm too. So you're probably saying, enough Mike, enough Mike. How can I win some of those trays? Let me tell you. So here's how to enter. You get 1 entry for doing any of the following, and you may do them all, but commenting on any of our YouTube videos this week from July 15th through the 21st. You can also get a point, an entry, for subscribing and signing up to receive notifications to our YouTube channel, Big Pond Farm, if you're not already, as well as Bootstrap Farmer. And once you subscribed and signed up to receive notifications, send us a comment and say, hey, I subscribed. But wait, there's more. We're going to give you 3 entries for doing any of these 2 things. 1, share our YouTube video and tag Big Pond Farm and tag Bootstrap Farmer when you share that video on Facebook or Twitter, and also following me on Instagram, The Fit Farmer, and following Bootstrap Farmer. And also like this post on Instagram, on my Instagram page, The Fit Farmer, and tag 3 friends. So that's it. That's how you can win your own seed starter kit from Bootstrap Farmer. So make sure you enter. Stay tuned for some more giveaways and see who the winner is. Best of wishes to you. See you next time. Whoa! Before I go, I want to let you know, the more you share, the more you increase your chances of winning. If you have any questions, let us know. Rules and information on the giveaway is in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching.
Feel free to leave a comment below, even if it's just to say, hey. Also, make sure you don't miss any of our new videos. So, subscribe and sign up to receive notifications each time we release a new video. Also, you may want to check out these videos right here, and also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. See you next time.